my precious comic book.
You call him Hiccup? Back in my day, Hiccups could turn a fella inside out. That's what I call a hiccup.
You won't believe this, folks, but there are reports of a contagious hiccup plague spreading throughout Bikini Bottom. The hiccup plague is real. Save yourselves! So what do you think, folks? Is it real?
Contagious hiccups? What a bunch of idiots. Oh, watch it, you clod! My hiccups, they're gone. Now you have them. Oh, no! You gotta help me, Squidward! I've caught the hiccups!
Wait! Huh? You can't catch the hiccups, you nitwit! What? Ignoramus. Huh?